Hello everyone, today I am at Bundaberg Rum Distillery, home to Australia's finest rum.
I am going to explore the history of Bundaberg rum by wandering through the self-paced museum, which is housed in 75,000-litre oak vats. This is the main entrance, and the major processing unit of the distillery is on the other side. Let's go inside. The Bundaberg Distilling Company was formed in 1888 to supplement returns from the local sugar industry and to make use of molasses, a waste product from sugar refining. The first Bundaberg rum was distilled in 1889, and the following year it was being sold interstate. In its early years, the company struggled financially, first returning a profit in 1898. The Bundaberg Rum Distillery burnt down twice, interrupting production from 1907 to 1914, and from 1936 to 1939. This is the entrance for guided tours. The Bundaberg polar bear mascot was introduced in 1961, developed by advertising agency Leo Burnett. The bear was intended to convey a sense of mateship and to broaden the rum's appeal beyond the older male drinker. Bundaberg went from strength to strength, with some of the distillery's premium rums winning accolades including the World's Best Rum Award at the World Drinks Awards in London and World's Best Gold Rum Award at the San Francisco World Spirits Competition. Later, in 2009, a select handful of distillers, bondsmen and blenders who all love to tinker with taste, began the Bundaberg Master Distiller Collection. This collection had one aim in mind: to craft, age and blend bespoke premium rums that will rank among the very best drinks in the world. Bundaberg rum, or Bundy as it's known locally, has held the Australian rum crown since it was first created. process has remained largely unchanged for over 100 years, and the result is a delicious, iconic rum. Bundaberg is made from the finest sugar cane, grown in rich volcanic soil in the tropical North Queensland climate. The cane is processed at the sugar mill next door to the distillery, producing 4 Olympic-sized swimming pools of molasses a year. The benefit of the sugar mill being so close is that the molasses is pumped directly into the distillery through underground pipes. From there, Bundaberg's own yeast strain and water is added to ferment and distill the liquid, maturing the rum for a minimum of 2 years before it's ready for the glass. There are 5 processes of crafting this renowned rum. Thick, sludgy and black rum molasses is delightful. The molasses has its passport stamped, leaves the distillery and heads for the fermenting tank. Process 2 is fermentation. Molasses, water and yeast are fermented together in this process and produces 8% of alcohol. Process 3 is distillation, and it produces raw rum.
Process 4 is maturation and aging.
Raw rum with 78% of alcohol is transferred over, using steel pipes and kept in our appellation range white oak wooden vats for a minimum of 2 years. Process 5 is bottling. 120 bottles per minute is pumped out at this stage, with its shiny cap on.
Was Bundy. It was going off like a holiday. And during the production of the raw sugar, the millers found themselves buying around. It was brown and sticky. I'm sure you know what it was. It was, of course, molasses. And millers were lunch to with it, so one of them would obviously sat there together. They had tons of overall club, and were
I highly recommend visiting Bundaberg Rum Distillery to everyone, and it will be an unforgettable experience to you all. The most exciting part is, you can also enjoy sensual rum tasting experience as part of your distillery tour.
See you soon everyone with another exciting video.